So here I'm logged into admin dashboard of WordPress and we will see how we can add products using WooCommerce. Okay, so now we want to add products and we'll see how we can add it, how we can customize by category, how we can add variable product, simple product. There are multiple types. We'll see how all the features of adding products. Let's go. Now here you can see I have installed the WooCommerce plugin through which we'll add products. Here you can see products option. Here you can see all list of product. Now we will click on add new product and there is also option of managing categories, tags, attribute. These 3 points we will see later. As of now, click on add product. Now from here, you can see you need to write the product name. So what will be product name here? Then here you can see product description. Now you can style product description, add images. There are multiple options. Like I want to add a heading, suppose in my product description. Product description. This is paragraph. I want to make it heading. Here from here, I can select it. I can make bullet point from here. I can align it center left as per my requirement. Even I can add link in it. And if you want to add images, you can add image from here in product description, not product image. This is not a product image. Keep in mind, this is in WooCommerce. You need to remember there are two product description. Here you can see normal product description. When you scroll down, you can see product short description. To what's different in it, I will show you. Short product description. The main difference is short product description will show after image. I will show you how it will look. Let's preview it. We haven't anything. Here you see, this is my product name. We haven't added anything. And this is short product description and this is long product. Here you see, this is the main product description which we have added heading. This is short product description. So these are two type of description option in WooCommerce. If you want to manage one, like you don't want to show description here, then don't add short description. If you don't want to show description here, don't add long description. Now we have seen the description. Now scroll down. Here you can see simple product. There are multiple products option like simple product, group product, variable product, or external affiliate product. Simple product is very simple. The pricing will be there and the product will be there. There will be no option. The main then another type of product we need to see is product variable. Variable you can create variation like size variation, color variation, or different type of variation as for your requirement. So we will first create a simple product. Regular price. What its regular price is like MRP. It's MRP, but I'm selling it to 599 suppose. This is a sale price. Okay. Now you can say like this is a downloadable or virtual product. You can enable it. If it did not, leave it. Now inventory. If you want to manage the stock of product, track exact quantity of product, then enable it, and there are how many are stock. If you don't want to manage stock, leave it. SKU is a unit code that help you in managing inventory. If you want to manage it, you can add it. Here you can set stock status, in stack, out of stack, on border. You can set some product that you want to sell only one item per order. Like if user order want to order this product, he can maximum purchase one product. If you want that, you can enable it from here. Now shipping detail like weight, length, width, you can set as per your requirement. Link product. This is for upsell, cross-sell feature, leave it. That's the advanced feature. Now attribute. We will see attribute for variable products. It's not important for simple product. Advanced purchase note. Okay. Now here in right side you will see product image option. You can add product image from here. Like this is my product image. If there are multiple image, you can add images in gallery from here. You can see there are three images of my product here. From here you can select the category. It's in clothing and it's inside t-shirt. And you can manage category from here. You can see you can create category from here. Okay, we have added now product tabs. Suppose I want to give, you can add product tab from here. That's very simple. We have now that's all for creating a simple product. Very easy, nothing much more now you want to add. Let's see how it will look on front end. It will be fully complete product as a simple product. Click on view. Here you can see product name, pricing, short description, add to cart, category, tag, images, description, review, size chart is advanced option. It's added now. Here you can see we have created simple product. Similarly, you can create variable product. Click on variable. You just need to add variable from here. Same thing. You need to manage stock. SKU you can give the product or leave it. Stock manage if you want to add, you can enable from here. Now everything will be same. Now the important role for variable product is attribute. Attribute there is option of selecting existing attribute or you can create new attribute. Like I want to create size attribute. My size will be extra small, small, medium, large, and just create on save attribute. Then attribute will be created. Okay. Now check this box if you want to create variation of this product here. Use for variation. So check it now. Go on variation. Don't do anything. Click on generate variation. Simple. All the variation has been generated. You can see. Now from here you can manage each product like what will be the pricing of this variation 499 regular and sale price is suppose 299. You can manage like each product detail length, width, height, SKU, even stock you can manage of each product. Okay. Now if you want to manage bulk, manage these all detail in bulk. Like suppose my all product pricing is same. What I can do, I can here click on bulk action, click on set regular price. My all product regular price is 199. Very simple. Nothing much. Now when you go on all variation, you can see by default pricing will be added. Now suppose sale pricing for different products are different. I will add manually. Okay. Add images for each variation as per your requirement. Like for each variation, I have one different images to show. I can add from here. Now click on preview. Here you can see this is my variable large, medium, small. Here you can see pricing is also varying. And I have added different images for different variation. That's why images are changing. So that's very easily you can manage products in your WooCommerce website. You can easily add products and manage as per your requirement. Now another part is you must know its category. In product from here you can simply add category, whatever the category name is. Now important part is here. If there is some parent category like inside clothing there are hoodies and t-shirt, you can select parents category. Now it will be inside clothing at this category. Okay, you can select as per your requirement. You can also add images for category or you can manage all the attributes. Here you can see size attribute that we have created are here. You can manage them for all products. So that's all. That's very simple. You can easily create any products, add new products in your WooCommerce. The advanced feature is import. You can also import product that I have created video on another in WooCommerce. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.